Cracking the local service-based business market, are we? Great! We're diving right into the top Google My Business or GMB optimization strategies to catapult your online presence. Firstly, claim and verify your GMB listing. Owning your business on Google? Essential. Secondly, optimize your business information. This means filling out all necessary details like name, address, phone number, and business hours. Thirdly, encourage positive customer reviews. They not only elevate your reputation, but also your search ranking. Fourthly, utilize relevant keywords. Pepper your business description, services, and posts with them to up your local search visibility. Fifthly, optimize photos and videos. High-quality visuals can sway customer perception in your favor. Lastly, post regular updates. Keep your GMB profile active with engaging content, updates, and promotions. Implement these strategies and watch your business's online visibility soar, attracting more customers than ever. Subscribe for more valuable business boosting tips and tricks. Until next time.